Hey guys! Today we are going to look at how powerful Adobe Photoshop Generative is. To use Adobe AI Generative, choose the Selection tool. Next, select any areas in the photo that we want to manipulate. Select Generative Fill. We can generate anything with Adobe Generative Fill. For this example, I will be keying in rubber duck. Next, click on Generate. And just like that, we have a rubber duck that is perfectly placed in the photo, with the exact color tone and shadow. And better still, we have 3 different choices to select from. I like this version, so I'll keep this one. The generated fill is added to a new layer, so it's non-destructive. You can delete this layer and regenerate a new one. On the second example, we will try to fill up a background with Adobe Generative Fill. Notice, our wood plank is not complete. We will try to generate the wood with Generative Fill. Use the Selection tool again. Select the part of the wood that we want to be generated. Next, click on Generative Fill, and then click on Generate without any keywords. As simple as that, the wood is regenerated. We now have the 3 options to choose from, or we can regenerate again. For the third example, we will remove any objects from a photo using Generative AI. By using the Selection tool, select parts of the objects that needs to be removed. Then, click on Generative Fill and Generate. We have now removed the plants from the object. As usual, we have 3 options, or we can regenerate if we are not happy.